Hi everybody, this is Shadow, and he's my talking African Grey. He is about 3 years old. I don't know if he's gonna talk yet. This is the first time he's been on camera for YouTube. He pooped. Poop. Shadow. Shadow, my boy. This is where he lives. He rarely goes in a cage. If he makes too much noise, that's the only time. Sometimes he does some loud pitches. He'll go in the bottom cage down here. Just for an hour or two, just till he relaxes. These are my conures up here. Just waved at you. Kisses? You want a grape? Just trying to show off. Shadow, you want a grape? You say it. Come on, let's just say one word. Can we say one word for YouTube? Well, this is Shadow. He may not talk today, but we will get some really good videos for you guys of him talking.